Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve look, and it's going to be a very glittery, over-the-top, show-stopping look. Without further ado, let's just get started, because as we all know, we're probably all running late if we're doing our makeup. So we're going to kind of focus on doing the eyes first, just in case there's any fallout. But first things first is you want to start with a nice clean face. And I also thought it'd be fun to include my December Ipsy bag into this look, because I think this month's bag screams New Year. It's like old sequins, and then it has a leather back. And the theme of the month is be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. So I'm just going to go through and let you guys see what the products are, and then I'll give you guys a mini review about everything at the end. So first things I got is a brush by the brand Farah, and it's a really interesting brush. It has all these little grooves in it. A nice fluffy blending brush. Feels very soft. It's definitely a very packed full of bristles, so we'll see how that works on the eyes. I got a Lip Brûlée High Shine Lip Cream by the Beauty Crop. I got a Gimme Brow, which is a brow volumizing fiber gel, and it's from Benefit. From the bottom, I got an eyeshadow. It's in the shade Bootylicious. I got a heavy cream by Cake. And lastly, from Trust Fund Beauty, I got this nail polish, which is really, really cool. I love that color. It's like right up my alley. So I'm going to go ahead and prime the face using that moisturizer that they had in there. Oh, that is some very thick moisturizer. Oh, it smells good. It smells very vanilla-y. Definitely goes with the whole Cake theme. I'm going to go ahead and prime the eyes, and I was not paying attention and I squirted way too much eye primer out. So for a majority of today's look, I'm going to stick with my Dare to Create palette, as well as this quad by ColourPop in It's All Wild. So going into the quad, I'm going to just take this really light brown mixed with this orange, really tap off the excess, and I'm just going to work that through my crease using that blending brush we got from our Ipsy bag. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this eyeshadow just as a base, just in the center of my lids, just because this is a really pretty shade, but I want this look to be really, really show-stopping, so we're just going to use it as a base. And I'm just going to go ahead and dip into this dark brown here and this dark blackish brown here, and just put that right in the inner and outer corners, tapping my brush and working really slowly in small sections. When I have pretty much all that product off of the brush, place where I want it to, I'm just going to take it in the crease over top a bit. This will help to connect the two sides. I'm going to go ahead and take this, I guess I would call this a chromy gray shade. I'm going to spray my brush, and I'm going to lay this down where we put that brown, but on just the bottom half. Not really what I was going for. I just want something even more popping there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade instead by spraying my brush first. Again, just focusing on the bottom half. I'm gonna go back into that quad. I'm gonna take this really glittery shade on the other side of my brush, and I'm gonna put that on the top half. Okay, so now that I have those down on my lids, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the darkness again. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and just apply some eyeliner, some wings, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the wing liner. I'm going to go ahead and do some mascara. I'm just going to be using the Essence Blush Princess Mascara. And then I'll just go ahead and do my brows using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil as usual. And then I'll just go ahead and use the Gimme Brow to set them. I've heard really good things about Gimme Brows. I'm actually really excited to try this product out. There's a tiny little wand. I do have a tester size though, so I'm sure the regular one is a lot bigger. I actually like this tiny little brow. It's really easy to like manipulate the hairs and just get them to go where you want them to go. I'm gonna move into some foundation. I'm just gonna use the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation on my foundation brush. I haven't used this foundation in a while and I kind of miss it. I've been definitely just like using the same couple of foundations for a while and I'm like, okay, I've gotten those out my system. I still love them, but I also want to use some of the ones I haven't used in a while. I like to work a little bit faster when using a matte foundation just because they do set faster. Just gonna run them over the front of my brows a little bit, just in some stippling motion, just because the brows look so intense. Oh, I like the foundation. I forgot how much I like it. Here, even covered up those two blemishes, like you can't even tell that I had them and they were pretty like intense. I'm gonna go ahead with some ColourPop concealer. I'm gonna layer on top of that some Maybelline. I, for the life of me, cannot find my lighter shade of my ColourPop concealer. I just don't know where it went. And it drives me insane. And whatever's left over, I'll just take that on my chin a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face using my Maybelline pressed powder. Nice big fluffy brush. Oh my gosh, and I use a bronze brush. Using the right big fluffy brush. Because it's a matte foundation, you don't really need to set it extra intense. So I'm just gonna go with a nice lighter powder. We'll contour the face. I like to go around the forehead, and then as I blend out my cheekbones, I go nice upward circular motions. The lower lash line, I'm just gonna use the quad. I'm just gonna take this like dark chocolatey brown, really tight to the lash line. Then taking the nice brown and the orange, I'm gonna blend all that out. I'm gonna take this teal eyeliner and I'm gonna put some of this on my waterline. I'm gonna go back in with that shimmery shade and just pop that on the center of my lower lash line. I'm using a little bit of my e.l.f. mixing medium. I'm just gonna use the same brush and layer it on top of that so it pops out a little bit more. I feel like it's still not popping enough. So let's just go into this shadow because this one doesn't have as much fallout as the first one. It has something to stick onto, so it should help it to pop more. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, next time. Now, I kind of don't want to blush with this look. I'm just not feeling it. But we will finish off with some lips. Normally I do a very nude lip, but I don't want a nude lip. Something a little more like bold. So I'm going to use the lipstick that I got in Ipsy Bay. I actually want to give my face a quick spritz just because it looks so powdery that I can't even... I couldn't even deal. This is like Barbie pink. It's also very shiny and I don't think shiny was necessarily what I was going for. I don't know. Do I like it? Do I not? No, let's try something else. Okay, so instead, I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Modern Metals. It's such like a comfortable liquid lip. Oh my gosh, in the camera, it is looking so crazy and intensely orange. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Modern Metals gloss. It's just like this gold champagne with lots of glitter in it. I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight the face. I'm gonna take a little bit of this one, a little bit of the orange one. Super light hand when I go in with highlight because I don't want to risk making like giant stripe that I just can't do anything with. I'll take it under the brow bone just a tad. Just go over it with a big brush. Really help blend it in. I'm just using my powder brush. Using the exact same one, I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners with it. This look, I kind of want a center part. And there's our complete look, guys. This lipstick with this gloss makes my lips look extra humongous because they just like stand out so much. But I kind of like it because I don't know, I don't want a nude. Like if you definitely want to do a nude, you could do a red lip, you could do a blue lip. Like because the eyes are mostly neutral other than the pop of blue, a lot of different combinations would go good with this. And lastly, to just finish off this video, I'm gonna quickly go through the Ipsy bag and let you guys know what I thought. First off, the bag itself is a keeper. This is the cutest bag I think I have ever seen them come out with. I love it so much, so it's not going anywhere. The lipstick, I honestly have to test it a little bit more. I'm not used to wearing like really bright colors that are shiny, even though that's what I have on my lips right now. And it's a more brighter, intense color than I would normally go for, so I think I'm definitely gonna test this out a little bit more. The brush, I actually really liked it. It was more dense than I'm used to, but it blended things out really nicely, so thumbs up to this. The brow gel I think was really good. I think with this little wand it was really precise. I do wish there was a little more product in here just because it's kind of hard to test it out if you're not really getting the full benefit of all the products. No, I did not just say that because this company's name is Benefit. The hand cream was really nice. I used it as a primer today and it worked just fine. It did its job really nice. The nail polish, I'm going to save that for a later date, but honestly, as long as it goes on with 1 or 2 coats, I'm going to be more than happy. And this eyeshadow was actually so pretty and it was like so intense for a shimmer that I'm going to have to try to find some room for it in my build your own palette because this is such a pretty color. And yeah guys, that basically completes this look. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and subscribe to see more videos from me in the future. I upload every Monday and Thursday, and I would love to see you guys back here next time, and I'll see you then. Bye!